I would say to find a good group of people to get connected on campus, because it's going to get harder and you're going to want to lean into the people that you know.
You should allocate your time like for every day. Like even like if the time is like doing nothing, allocate a time for doing nothing, a time for studying, all different things you do. Just like kind of make blocks and it'll help you be structured and scheduled.
Go and open up a bit. Try to make some friends. I promise everyone's going to be just as scared as you are. And I haven't met any mean people. You will find at least someone that will talk to you.
Put yourself out there and get involved.
Just stay on top of everything and be organized.
Find something to do outside of classes. Something as simple as going to an event that Arcadia hosts. Find something to do that allows you to be social, make new friends, and just find interests in other things.
So when I first came in, I was a little bit nervous, especially with the workload. But once I actually got here, the only problem was me procrastinating. Once you actually get on top of your stuff, it isn't bad.
Before you go in, if you're living in the dorms, talk to your roommates about their boundaries. Talk to them about your boundaries. Talk about the space you need, and you need to figure out what you need to bring and what you need to leave at home. Also go to class.
My name is Qatar Hernandez, and I'm a peer mentor for a first-year seminar class. And my advice to you would be to advocate for yourself, to be out loud about what you want. I think that that is vital to your experience here at Arcadia.
The advice that I would give to a first-year student would be time management. Make sure that you have time to do everything, especially if you have a job. If you're a commuter, make sure that you plan to study and just have breaks in between your job and your school. Otherwise, you're going to burn yourself out. Take it from me.
As a commuter, I would say utilize every single resource here, every single one that you pay for. Just because you don't pay for a room and board doesn't mean you don't pay for the pantry, which is a resource that gives you toiletries, mostly food. Just because I'm a commuter doesn't mean that I can't use counseling services, where you can either have bi-weekly scheduled meetings, or you can just pop in and debrief for a second. One of my favorite resources to use is the game room. It's basically someone where they have pool and a bunch of video games. It's a really good place to de-stress, I guess. Understand that this is your journey and your journey only. And just remember, you do you.
Don't let your grades define you.
If you're looking to build connections, meet new people, go to the scheduled events, check your emails, make sure you do that.
And our last advice is
Thug it out!